Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be opening a back to school blind bag. So let's start. Okay, so there's going to be stationery inside. You can see it out through this hole. We barely can pick anything out. Okay, so let's just start. Now, just take this ribbon off. Okay guys, so let's start. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it has so many decorative colorings on this side. Oh my god, are these glow in the dark stuff? I think they are, because these colors are mostly glow in the dark. Oh my god, are this a set of highlighters? Oh my god, guys, just look at this set. It has a cute little bunny sticker over here. So cute. Now, wow, look at all the colors. I'm gonna try this pink. Ooh, it's nice and pink. I just love this. Ooh, these are so bright highlighter. I just love it, guys. Don't you love this? Okay, put it back. And now, I think this is a thing. I don't know what this thing is. Let's just put it aside and... What's this? It's a clay box. Okay, why is a clay box in a stationery items? I think something's hiding in here. Can you see that red dot? Looks like paper. Wait. Could there be a collector's guide in here? Because I don't see a collector guide anywhere. So let's just start opening this huge clay box thingy and search for whatever's inside. Ooh, I think I'm beginning to see something. Take it up. What could it be? Oh my god, I think I got it. Peel that. Yeah, totally got the hang of it. And I'm pulling it. Oh my goodness, it is a collector's guide. Okay, so I'll display. I will play with it later. Put this back and close the lid. Sure, nice and tight. Okay, so put that aside. And now let's take a look at this collector's guide that's got mixed up in the clay. Ooh. Okay. So, I hope you can see. I think, oh my god, I think this is our purse. Okay, so this is how our purse is gonna be. I wonder what character it is. And we have a character. Is that inside the purse, or is it somewhere here? Is it the Hello Kitty? But it doesn't look like that. Okay, so it says its name is Pinky. Down here, it says its name is Pinky. So let's see who our Pinky is, and let's see the purse. Okay, and we got this cute Hello Kitty keychain. She's holding a strawberry. So cute. I think I'm gonna put this in my school handbag. Ooh. And some glitter just for some decorative art projects at school. Woo, shaky. Now, let's take a look at a final thing. Ooh, it looks just like the one. I think this is the pouch, guys. Let's start with this ribbon opening. Oh my god, it's a puppy. Oh, it's such a cute little pouch. I feel that there's actually some things in there. But, ooh, look at this beautiful little thing. It's such a cute little purse. Oh my god, it's a pouch. So cute. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. What is that? Okay, it's a necklace. Maybe it's for our character, or even for our Hello Kitty, or for a doll. Okay, so they have this chain, and then let's have a look at it. Ooh, we have the most important, an eraser. Okay, it matches this color. I don't know if it's a glow in the dark, but cute eraser. Okay, so we have a last thing. Oh my gosh, this character. Close your eyes, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, this is Pinky. It's a teddy bear. Let me check if this is only our character. Oh my god, it is. This does look like a bear, and it is a bear. It's a squishy. So cute, isn't it? I just love this so bad. Oh my god, it's also like the pencil topper. There's like a hole in here so you can put a pencil. Super duper cute, but there's no pencil in here. But that doesn't matter. But all the things here that I've got, I think my favorite is like everything. But I really love this highlighter, and this keychain is super duper cute. And even the pouch, I just love the pouch, like how the idea is. It's beautiful. I have nothing to say other than this, but I hope you liked this video, and if you really did, then do like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.